It's been about 2 months since I uploaded.
Yeah, I've been long gone from this channel about 2 months or so since my last upload. I've been going through some setbacks in my trading journey, and we just thank God that coming back stronger, coming back stronger. So many things have been going on behind the scenes. The phone I normally use to record. I lost that, and some losses, inconsistency, indiscipline in my trading crept into me. So coming back stronger, those things actually led me back in my journey in trading and also school. But I'm back, bro. I feel like treating losses the right way will still keep you going in trading.
One eternity later.
Now, one thing in trading is not by being right. Yeah, the being right game actually will make you still going to drop. Being right game is wrong. So yes, I have experience in the market, but most times we do make mistakes, and I accept the mistake I made, then I corrected it as earlier on. I feel like we got stopped out. Yes, if my supply, yeah, we got stopped out. We got stopped out. Yeah. You see, yeah, I made a mistake, and I honestly I corrected it before the main sale. Now, the reason for a buy, you can see right here. You see Wednesday low is being swept by Thursday, right? So now, previous day low got taken. Can I use? Okay, I'll get you guys. I'll get you guys back. So what I've been waiting for just occurred. You see, previous day low is being swept, which had a liquidity state of sell side liquidity. I waited for a structure shift. Price are actually close right now. The full body candle at that highs, making the structure shift a vice structure shift for me. So I'm waiting for a retracement. I'm waiting for a retracement back to this CISD at the midpoint. Then I'll take my buys. For my other buys, targeting the -2 STDV, that's standard deviation. So this is actually the main buy. This is actually the main buy I'll be taking. This is a high probability buy for me to take. So we'll see how it plays. We'll see how whether price gives an entry or not. I'll teach you guys maybe by tomorrow. Peace out. So boys, you guys remember the trade I talked about that I'm repositioning myself for a buy on Euro SNJ when the first one was failed. Yeah, the first one was failed because I found out a mistake. I found a mistake that I made, so I actually closed before my main SL, and this trade actually cost me a lot. You see, this trade actually cost me a lot. Why? This particular pair is a minor pair, and during midnight there is a lot of spread. There's a lot of spread during midnight, and I did actually checked it, which I'll put that on my journal for either if I'm going to check a trade next time. That hasn't happened to me before, but still fall back to mistake. But you just need to continue making mistakes again. So I went to enter this trade. The buy after price came back to this fair value gap that we had here. We had fair value gap after price tapped into a fair value gap and was at the midpoint of this range from this low to this high. After price get to that place, I went on to execute on my MT5, and bro, this pair was floating 600 pips in spread. 600 pips in spread, like, bro, on my funded account, bro. And I didn't know. I took the buy, and I saw my position was very high. It was never at this point. It was above here, bro. And I was already losing. The first position, I was already losing like $17 off that position. I was like, bro, this is really mad. This is crazy. I was really, really upset, but I waited for a little drawdown so that I would not close at $17. I waited for price actually I saw it floating like $8 loss. So I closed down one You see, it's not actually a mistake, just the spread mistake. I closed that one and waited for the spread to drop down to like 60 pips in spread. Then I took the buys again. And I feel like that position was around this region. I took that buys. It was not early again, so because of spread, I didn't enter. So during midnight, the spread on this exotic or these pairs are much, really, really much. I won't lie. So you guys saw the first one was here. I made a mistake, and I'll also explain to you guys. I'll tell you guys what really happened. And I took this trade on a different database. This is on FSCM. The other one is on Forex.com. I actually look on Forex.com, but FSCM gave me an entry. Why Forex.com didn't give me an entry? That's the reason I used to actually have problem or have an issue with data feed, because some feed will show you previous day high being stressed, some will show you previous day highs, actually make you make some mistakes. But I think this is actually nice. I love the setup, and thank God I actually knew my mistake earlier before main SL, before it didn't get that much. So we'll see how this plays out. My TP is at the 2.00098. So I'm waiting for price to get to that level. So you just see how price reacts. So guys, this is a wrap for the week. For the weekly vlog. You can see this is Euro and remember I took a buy. I repositioned myself for a buy. We have Thursday that swept Wednesday lows, then we had an expansion on Friday. So this is I'll put the execution on the screen. Actually, I closed before the main TP. I closed manually because of overnight spread on my flooded account. I didn't want a lot of spread with I don't want a lot of spread and also swap fees while holding overnight. So I closed I think around here, which is about some couple of dollars here. I closed around here. I entered. Spread made me enter really wide. The spread was wide, so my entry was not at the bottom of where price started moving from. And I closed around here. Main TP is at -2 deviation. So this is the wrap for the week. Right now I'm going through my pairs. I want to review and also journal the trades also that I took. And bye. I'll see you guys in another vlog, another EP. The EP also continues. Weekly vlog. I'll be dropping weekly vlogs. I don't think I'll be okay with daily vlogs. I'll be dropping weekly vlogs. So see you guys. Bye.